If you haul an ATV or side-by-side, you know how annoying it can be with tangled straps, wasted time, and wondering if your machine is actually secure. I've been using these Strapinno retractable ratchet straps for over 1.5 years now, and honestly, I wish I found them sooner. Before switching to Strapinno, I was using the typical ratchet straps, always tangled, always time-consuming, and sometimes hard to trust. It took me forever to strap everything down, and even longer to unload. I got tired of the hassle and started looking for something faster, easier, and just as secure. These retractable ratchet straps are mounted right to the trailer. There's no digging around looking for the other end. You just anchor one end of your ratchet strap into the wheel chock that is provided. You pull on your ratchet strap just like a seat belt. Lock it in place. Give yourself a little play here so you can get a couple loops on this part here and ratchet it up. What used to take 10 minutes to strap down my side-by-side or ATV takes me 2 minutes tops. And the great part is you know that your machine is secured right to the trailer. These ratchet straps are anchored to the wheel chocks that keeps your wheels in place. The wheel chocks are bolted right to your floor of your trailer. And when you go to unload, you just grab the handle here, pull this, it lets go, unhook one end of it. It retracts just like a seat belt. Pull it out and you're done. Now say you get to the destination where you're going to ride, you could leave this strapped in here, I guess, and just put this over to the side, all 4 of them. But you're going to run over this, you'll likely bend it. Not only that, it's going to get dirty. In here, it's not going to work as well. You're better off just take it out just like this. Then all you have to do is bend this over like this. You got your retractable ratchet strap here all in one place. They supply you with 2 bags. You can put 2 ratchet straps in each bag. It comes with a drawstring, keeps all the dust and dirt out and keeps them working properly the way you like it to. After 18 months of use through dust, mud, rain, and snow, these things are still holding strong. The straps haven't frayed, the retraction mechanism still works smoothly, and the chocks haven't shifted a crack. I've trailered my machines more times than I can count, and I still trust them every trip. If you're someone who hauls an ATV, side-by-side, tractor, small piece of equipment regularly, this is a system that's worth giving a look. It makes your life easier, saves time, and gives you peace of mind every time you hit the road. I used to use the Erickson straps, but really the Strapinno retractable strap is so much easier. Just makes life that much better. This doesn't have the feature. They work okay, but they're not as good as the Strapinno retractable ratchet strap, that's for sure. I'll drop a link to these straps right below this video. And if you have a trailer setup that you love or you have questions about these, just let me know in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.